on, guys? This is TOAD Moto. I'm down in the San Rafael Well, and I'm in the waterfall, or on the Waterfall Trail, I should say. And they told me not to start my camera at first, and I'm kind of disappointed I didn't have a run from the beginning because it was really cool. Every place down here is cool to see, so I just stopped and started my camera. So they're a little bit farther ahead of me. I was right behind them, so not too far ahead of me. But yeah, man, I've been having a blast. I got that JB weld on my bike, but I still want to ride, so I'm gonna do it and see if my bike holds out good. Right on, man.
Whoa, whoa, we're leaking big. We're leaking big. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lay your bike.
Oh, God. No. That was my JB weld from my last time I did this.
We got you covered. Hey, guys, it's lunchtime.
Ooh, yeah. Right up, man. And if it doesn't, then we'll go from there. Hopefully I don't have to get towed back. Brandon was waiting for me. Right on. I don't know if there's an actual waterfall that we're driving to, but it's called the Waterfall Trail. I'm sure there's a waterfall during rainfall, but I don't think it's one of those all year long type of waterfalls, like from a stream or a river. I don't know that. I thought I saw someone go that way. Let me turn around, dude. I don't know if my mind's playing games with me, but I thought I saw someone. Dude, that's weird. I didn't. I thought you guys went down a different canyon. I swear I saw something out of my peripheral vision. So I stopped and I turned around. It might have been a cow, I don't know. Yeah, dude, I put enough JB weld on that to make like a silicone boob, like a B cup. Alright, so now I'm with the group. I'm still gonna ride at my own pace. I think I keep up with them for the most part, but there's just little mistakes that I make that I'm not comfortable doing it quite yet. Or maybe I'll take a turn too far and I'll hit into like a tree or a root or a rock or something. Like one of my biggest fears riding dirt bikes is the thought of getting punctured by like a tree branch. Both ways there. I was like, oh no, I did exactly what I was just saying I don't want to do. So second gear is where I feel comfortable riding and staying on the trail. When I get into third gear and cornering is what I need to really work on. Wipe my camera off here. Second. Okay, there we go. But yeah, this place is so amazing. I think this is my favorite place in Utah. Not only to like ride, but it's just awesome. And I have so many plans to just keep on riding down here and exploring, hiking, looking at petroglyphs, exploring, all the fun stuff, man. Excited. Got a lot of plans to come down here. I think they went this way. like to stop in some places and just have a look around, but these guys ride to ride, not to explore. Okay, so I got to be really careful not to hit that JB Well on any rocks here.